Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn off personalized ads on your TCL TV. So first of all, we're gonna have to access settings by navigating to the gear icon in the top right corner of the TV screen to open settings. Then on the Google TV models, you're gonna have to go to device preferences. If you have a different layout of your system, then in settings you're gonna have to select privacy and then go to the ads menu. However, in Google TV, you're gonna have to go to device preferences, then about, then you're gonna have to navigate to legal information and then select ads option right here. So the same menu, just two different paths to it. So however you enter the ads menu, first you're gonna have to reset your advertising ID by selecting this option and click confirm, and then select delete advertising ID and confirm once again, and do not get any new advertising ID after that. And so that's how you disable personalized ads on your TV. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.